This is going to be my very last video of the year. Of course, we're going to have many more videos, podcasts, and book club lectures in the new year, but I wanted to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for watching along this year. Thank you for reading along. And thank you to everybody who has supported me over the course of this year. It's been a wild ride, and I am so grateful for all of you. I'm really grateful for everybody who leaves comments on the videos. It's quite astonishing. Every time I go to the comment section on the videos, I'm blown away at the level of the responses. The responses are always really kind, but really insightful. The responses to the books that we are talking about are tremendous. Who would have thought that a YouTube comment section could be as wonderful as the one I have? It's a very tight-knit community that we have here, but I am so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you so much for proving that there is still a body of people who want to deep read the great books and want to talk about literature with love and passion and care. I'm so grateful for all of you. And of course, thank you to everybody who simply watches along. Whether you leave a comment or not, whether you engage or not, thank you so much simply for being here, being part of the conversation, and for undertaking this bookish journey with me. I hope you have a great year. I hope you're happy. I hope you're healthy. I hope your reading continues to go well. And I hope you enjoy a deep sense of meaning. And that's what I wanted to say. I hope you have a lovely day. I wish you a very happy new year. And of course, happy reading. See you in 2022. Bye-bye for now.